Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some gold hex codes you can try and Dress to Impress to create the gold color. Okay, I'm going to show you 4 codes. So here I'm going to apply the gold color to this item. I'm going to go to the color wheel. Okay, the first gold color you can try is this one. Okay, you can copy my code if you want to create this color. And then the next one is this one. Okay, and then the third one, okay, it's orange gold. And the last one is this color code. Okay, that looks so cool. And I'm going to apply it to this clothes as well. I'm just going to apply the same gold. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all for the gold hex codes you can try and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.